your head. I swear it used to make me smile, but now it's just for show instead. And when I finally get to sleep, and I'm trapped in empty dreams, and my mind becomes my bed, where it used to set me free. Some days I wake, and in the sun it all seems gray. For a moment till I see it's the same as yesterday. And some days I wake, and never sure just why I stay. I guess I must really lie. All the wisecracks you make, never really sure if you feel the way I do, that these endless trips on Ferris wheels are really just a ruse. And the mask I wear is heavy, but how can I leave it behind without breaking your fragile child mind? Sure to laugh at all the jokes I tell my friends, but I always feel so odd when they fly right past your head. In the past I dreamt the future, just us two against the world, but I got wrapped up in hypotheticals and forgot my goals. And as I see myself growing over, I can't see that life with you, looking out across the rolling hills. Memories one time grew, and the rain might drive me back to a good cheer from far off place. But when I look at you, I will not see your face. Sure what I really want from life. I can settle for a pretty face, I can say I have a wife. Your stories used to hold my interest, but now it just don't seem the same. My mind is still stuck on the scent of when the pavement hits the rain. And you use words like forever, like it means something to you. And the things you read in your precious books are just the things we do. Okay,